I'm not sure what happened to the other sisters, but my Boba sent the kids to the Shavla Hebrew Gymnasia, from which they matriculated in 1928. So my mother was already 19, which is, well, because of the disruption, you know, their education had been halted. So she and her brother landed up in the same class. He was 15 months younger. And every subject was taught in Hebrew, and I'm sure they learned Yiddish as well. So I've got her maths exercise book and her Yiddish essay book, no, her Hebrew essay book. And of course the photograph of the matric class. And then she was accepted into the University of Kovno, which was an amazing thing because they had the numerous classes. Plus she was a woman. And of course the numerous classes was against the Jews. But she got in for the first year, and then they went to South Africa. So that put an end to her university education. When she came to South Africa, she was a kindergarten teacher. And my uncle, her brother, he went into the country to work in some shop owned by Jews. My Zayda sold eggs to make a living. Well, he tried. My mother used to tell me, and of course all of his customers were Jewish, and they engaged, all the commerce that they engaged in was in Yiddish. And my mother used to tell me that if somebody couldn't afford to pay for the eggs, then he'd say next week, and next week became a month, and you know, they never ever paid. He wasn't a businessman, and he wasn't a wealthy man, but he survived.